You might be aging faster than your actual age, not because of genetics, but because of your daily habits. Wrinkles, low energy, brain fog, belly fat, mood swings, poor sleep. These aren't just getting older, they're signals. Today, we breaking down the silent habits that are accelerating your aging, and the science-backed ways to reverse the damage. By the end of this video, you'll know what's secretly damaging your cells, why your lifestyle may be aging your brain, the habits that shrink your lifespan, and how to slow biological aging starting today. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Aging is cellular. Aging isn't just about wrinkles, it happens at the cellular level. Your cells age due to oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, DNA damage, hormonal imbalance, telomere shortening. Biological age, chronological age. Two people can be 40 years old. One has the cells of a 30-year-old, the other has the cells of a 55-year-old. Your habits decide which one you become. Chapter 2. Ultra-processed foods. One of the biggest accelerators of aging, highly processed foods. They cause blood sugar spikes, insulin resistance, chronic inflammation, gut imbalance. Over time, this damages collagen, brain cells, blood vessels. What to do? Prioritize whole foods, increase fiber, eat antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, limit added sugar. Your skin, brain, and heart will thank you. Chapter 3. Chronic sleep. Deprivation. Sleep is anti-aging medicine. When you sleep, growth hormone repairs tissues, brain toxins are cleared, inflammation decreases, hormones rebalance. Less than 6 hours consistently? You accelerate. Memory decline, weight gain, hormonal aging, immune dysfunction. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Protect your sleep like your future depends on it, because it does. Chapter 4. Screen overload and dopamine burnout. Constant scrolling, notifications, overstimulation. This creates chronic dopamine spikes. Over time, motivation drops, focus declines, stress hormones rise, sleep quality decreases. Digital addiction ages your brain. Solution: set tech-free hours, morning sunlight before screens, reduce blue light at night, practice mental stillness. Your nervous system needs recovery. Chapter 5. Chronic stress. Stress isn't the enemy. Chronic stress is. Long-term elevated cortisol breaks down collagen, damages blood vessels, increases belly fat, shrinks the hippocampus, memory center. Stress literally ages your face and brain. What slows it down? Breath work, walking outdoors, social connection, prayer or meditation, strength training. Stress management is anti-aging therapy. Chapter 6. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long hours slows metabolism, reduces circulation, weakens muscles, increases inflammation. Movement is longevity insurance. You don't need extreme workouts. You need daily walking, strength training, 2 to 3 times weekly, stretching, frequent standing breaks. Movement signals youth to your cells. Chapter 7. Dehydration. Mild dehydration reduces energy, thickens blood, slows detoxification, impacts skin elasticity. Many people live in chronic dehydration. Simple fix: drink consistently throughout the day. Add electrolytes when needed. Eat water-rich foods. Hydration affects aging more than you think. Chapter 8. Smoking and excess alcohol. Smoking destroys collagen, increases oxidative stress, damages lungs and heart. Excess alcohol accelerates liver aging, disrupts sleep, increases inflammation. Even moderate habits compound over decades. Longevity is about long-term math. Chapter 9. Negative thinking and isolation. Your mindset affects biology. Chronic negativity raises stress hormones, weakens immunity, reduces resilience. Isolation increases mortality risk, impacts cognitive health. Connection and optimism are protective factors. Your thoughts influence your aging trajectory. Final message. You are not aging because of time alone. You are aging because of what you eat, how you sleep, how you move, how you think, how you manage stress, how you use technology. But here's the good news. Biological aging can be slowed. Small daily changes, repeated consistently over years. Start with one habit, then stack another. Your future self is being built right now. Outro. If you found this valuable, subscribe for weekly deep dives into future health trends, anti-aging science, digital medicine, and longevity breakthroughs. Comment below, which habit are you cutting out starting today? And share this with someone who wants to age slower and live stronger.